Have you ever looked at someone and thought, how are they defying their age? Or perhaps more personally, wondered why you feel the effects of aging even when you're doing all the right things? We've been told for decades that aging is simply about wear and tear, about our DNA accumulating damage, or about our telomeres shortening with each cell division. What if the real secret to aging isn't about the genes you have, but about the information your cells are losing? Today we embark on an investigation into one of the most profound mysteries of biology, aging. And we'll uncover a revolutionary concept, one that Harvard scientists have been at the forefront of, that completely reframes how we think about getting older. It's called the information theory of aging. Imagine your DNA, the incredible blueprint of your life, not as a static book, but as a digital file. A perfect, pristine file when you're young. Now imagine aging not as the tearing of pages from that book, but as the gradual corruption of that digital file. Think of it like scratches on a CD or a corrupted hard drive. The underlying data, your genetic code is still there, largely intact. But the instructions for reading and using that data, the critical metadata, get scrambled. This, my friends, is the essence of epigenetic information loss. It's a loss of cell identity. A liver cell starts to forget it's a liver cell and begins to express genes it shouldn't, or stops expressing ones it should. This isn't just theory. Research, including preliminary findings from institutions like Harvard Medical School, suggests that this loss of epigenetic information can drive aging independently of changes to the genetic code itself. They've shown that restoring the integrity of this epigenome in animal models can even reverse age-related symptoms. So what's causing this digital file corruption? One compelling hypothesis is the relocalization of chromatin modifiers, or RCM hypothesis. Our cells are constantly repairing DNA damage. It's a vital process. But each time they do, the very machinery that helps organize our DNA, these chromatin modifiers, can get pulled away from their proper locations. They're like meticulous librarians who, after fixing a torn page, accidentally reshelve a few books in the wrong section. Over time, these small misfilings accumulate, leading to epigenetic noise and a loss of cellular identity. Now, this isn't happening in a vacuum. This epigenetic chaos isn't an isolated event. It's part of a vicious, interconnected cycle with other well-known hallmarks of aging. Let me explain how. First, let's talk about those infamous zombie cells. Cellular senescence. As we age, our bodies accumulate these non-dividing cells that refuse to die. They don't function properly, and worse, they secrete a cocktail of inflammatory proteins. Then there's metabolic dysfunction. Crucial player here is NAD, plus a coenzyme vital for hundreds of cellular processes, including DNA repair. As we age, our NAD+ levels decline. This means our cells are less efficient at repairing that digital file, exacerbating the epigenetic noise. It's a cascading problem. Another fascinating link is high homocysteine levels. This amino acid, when elevated, has been linked to accelerated biological aging and even brain atrophy. The good news? Research like the VitaCog study from the University of Oxford suggests that these elevated levels appear reversible with adequate B vitamins. A simple intervention with potentially profound implications for slowing biological aging. And we can't forget our cellular powerhouses, mitochondria. As we age, mitochondrial function declines. They become less efficient at producing energy and generate more damaging byproducts. This energy deficit and increased cellular damage further contribute to the overall burden on our cells, making them more susceptible to epigenetic errors and fueling the other hallmarks. It's all connected like threads in a complex tapestry. So, if aging is this multifaceted, interconnected loss of information, what can we do about it? The truly empowering part is that we have more agency than we might think. While we can't stop time, we can significantly influence our biological age by targeting these very processes. First, let's talk about caloric optimization. This isn't about starvation, but about avoiding overeating. Studies have consistently shown that optimizing caloric intake, often through practices like time-restricted eating, can improve cellular resilience, enhance autophagy, your body's cellular cleanup crew, and even influence epigenetic markers associated with longevity. It's about giving your body a break and allowing its repair mechanisms to kick in. Next, a plant-rich diet. Think nuts, vibrant fruits, vegetables, mushrooms, and spices like turmeric. These foods are packed with compounds that can combat inflammation, support mitochondrial health, and provide the building blocks for optimal cellular function. They help quiet that inflammaging fire and protect your digital files. And don't underestimate the power of sleep. Not just quantity, but quality. During deep sleep, your body undertakes critical repair and rejuvenation processes. This includes the activation of the glymphatic system, which clears waste products from your brain, and the regulation of hormones that play a key role in cellular health. Prioritizing truly restorative sleep is a direct investment in maintaining your epigenetic integrity. Finally, movement. A balanced exercise regimen that includes aerobic activity, strength training, and flexibility is non-negotiable. Exercise stimulates mitochondrial biogenesis, meaning your body makes more healthy powerhouses. It reduces inflammation, improves metabolic health, and even has positive effects on cellular senescence. It's one of the most potent anti-aging tools at our disposal. The mystery of aging is slowly unraveling, and what we're learning is far more nuanced and hopeful than simply accepting a predetermined decline. We're understanding that aging isn't just random decay, but a loss of essential information. And by understanding this, we gain powerful insights into how to protect and even restore that information. It's about shifting from a passive acceptance of aging to an active engagement with our own biology, becoming the co-authors of our Healthspan. This knowledge, this understanding of the information theory of aging and its interconnected hallmarks, empowers us to make choices that truly matter. It allows us to step beyond marketing hype and embrace genuine, science-backed strategies for a healthier, more vibrant future. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our community. Thanks for watching, and here's to a longer, healthier life.